Hello guys, this is Usman from eTutor9. This is the second practice session test for the use of has, have, had. Now let's move towards the test.
Question 1. Others dash no say in this matter. Answer is B. Have or had. Question 2. Dash it stopped raining. Answer is A. Has or had. Question 3. The workers dash to arrive at 9 a.m. Answer is B. Have or had. Question 4. Hinta dash a lot of homework today. Answer is A. Has or had. Question 5. Sakura and Ino dash punched Naruto lots of tins. Answer is B. Have or had. Question 6. The dogs dash to obey their owners. Answer is B. Have or had. Question 7. Kakashi dash fought lots of enemies. Answer is A. Has or had. Question 8. We dash a new maths teacher in the class. Answer is B. Have or had. Question 9. My grandparents dash living together for 3 decades. Answer is B. Have or had. Question 10. My doll dash curly hairs. Answer is A. Has or had. Question 11. Robin dash no time to entertain us. Answer is A. Has or had. Question 12. Bankers should dash be more careful in dealing customers. Answer is B. Have or had. Question 13. Lean still dash a year left on her car lease. Answer is A. Has or had. Question 14. My friends dash to go home. Answer is B. Have or had. Question 15. Dash you watched all episodes of Naruto. Answer is B. Have or had.
So guys, did you like the test? If you like it, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and also like and share our video so that other people can also get benefit from our videos.